afternoon for all the participants. First of all, I need to introduce myself. My name is 𝗧𝗵𝗲 I need to extend my gratitude and thankful Ingenious ePrain team for setting this session. We will be discussing today about the oncology care model and the capabilities for success and the understanding of the OCM. We will be discussing and talking about all the challenges that faces the industry. As definition, first of all, I need to highlight about the oncology care model, which is defined globally as to be an innovative multiplayer module focusing on providing the higher quality for the oncology care and big competition for the pharma sectors in playing to win the oncology, studying the key capabilities for the success. For this today, we need to know that the oncology is considered as one of the fastest moving therapeutic areas in the world. As the largest single therapeutic area is expected to represent about 26% of pharmaceutical sales, they are focusing in the oncology manufacturing sectors. And also this upgrading will reach up to 107 new drug approval up to 2025. These create the competitions between the pharma sectors to provide the best oncology care module through increasing to 35% of the industry through the preclinical pipeline nowadays. All top 10 players have a commercial presence to invest proudly about the rapid development cycles. As you know, the high growth and IMETs need to also to be tracked several new players for the oncology while making others double down. So this increasing about the competition in terms of clinical trial require recruitment. For example, the number of breast cancer patients required to be active in clinical trials exceeds the annual number of diagnoses by twofold time. In the commercial space, the competition is intense with the multiple market and pipeline. This elucidating the most important about taking care in the oncology care module through the partnership between the pharma sectors and the physicians to provide the correct and the proper service to the patient. The most innovative science outside big pharma, the number of clinical trials initiated by non-top 10 players increased up to 4,500 in 2007. This increased up to 5,900 in 2018. Also, the level of venture capital investment has also continued to increase, with oncology experiencing 197 rounds of venture capital investment. Within pricing and contracting, innovative schemes, also and outcome-based contracts are becoming important in the product strategy, giving the external pressure as increased competition, a greater focus on oncology pricing. On the other hand, the complexity and challenge in setting the outcome-based payment schemes. For example, the price reporting requirement in the United States do exist in the oncology that will be including Novartis and innovation contract CAR T-cell therapy in the United States and Germany. Finally, the fifth aim factor that can be considered highlighted for the success in the oncology care module is to stakeholder engagement amid this intense competition. The oncology require robust account management capabilities. This includes the building of strong relationship between all the key stakeholders through group purchasing organization, GPOs, insurers, the hospital procurement department. All these gathering and partnership can create the style dynamic for the best and better oncology care. Across both commercial and medical, sophisticated physician mapping can identify the areas unmet need as well as a segment of physicians to ensure, for example, to receive most relevant information of their practices. It's critical for commercial and medical organizations also to seek feedback from the field and connect insight back to the overall strategy. For instance, through customer relationship management, data analysis, and matching learning. As we discussed in this session, we can summarize that the pharmaceutical companies have to identify the individual capabilities that they need to excel and where industry standard will suffice. Here also, we can identify the complex and rapidly changing treatment paradigm, which we discussed about. Also, the classification for average and leading indicator patient classes through, for example, the trials consider the individual innovative acceleration approach. The patient program established pro-launch. These indicators can give the biopharmaceutical sectors the best way to drive their capabilities. So there's three major steps for building best-in-class capabilities, which can be summarized for creating an integrated view, decide when to leverage resources outside the company, and focus on retention for top talent. Finally, having a place system that consistently track talent capabilities and resource allocation are critical for planning and enable faster decision making both at region level and global. I would like to thank you for attending this session.
I'd like to personally thank Hitesh, our dear Kalol, and the rest of the team worked towards it. And with that remark, I declare the conference now closed.